Hi, my name is Ignacio. I'm going to talk about the benefits of Microsoft 365 for UltraStaff Edge users. 365 is well designed for businesses and collaboration, whether you're a small business or a large enterprise with hundreds of users. Not only do you have access to the Office software, but there's Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Team Meetings, SharePoint, and OneDrive for file sharing. Exchange email with Outlook, for example, you can have shared mailboxes or shared calendars. With UltraStaff Edge and the Outlook add-in, when you send an email from the application, it is documented and can be found in your Sent Items folder. The UltraStaff Edge Daily Planner can be synced with your Outlook calendar as well. Email logging is another popular feature. Resumes attached to emails can also be processed and parsed right from that email. You can also add a quick note or set up a follow-up activity all right from Outlook. These are just a few of the features that make Microsoft 365 a popular choice for businesses and for UltraStaff Edge clients. If you have any questions about UltraStaff Edge or the Outlook add-in, please give us a call. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.